cry, and I wonder why you have to leave me. Why did it have to end so soon? When you said that you would never leave me, tell me, where did I go wrong? What did I do to make you change your mind completely? When I thought this love would never end. But if this love's not ours to have, I'll let it go with your
our partner, Mr. Joey Agaroso. Maraming salamat! Thank you, Mr. Joey. Zell, handa ka na ba sa sasabihin ni Miss Dulce? Miss Dulce?
Yeah, Lizelle, you know, mas maganda ang performance mo na ang kasabay mo ay isang professional artist.
Thank you po.
Hindi ka na yung parang natatakot, no? And ang sarap pakinggan.
Thank you po.
Meron lang kailangan mong bantayan, lalo na siguro when you come in cold, nung part na hindi ka ang kumakanta, pagpasok mong nag-sharp, ingatan mo yon, no? But as a whole, ang ganda-ganda ng performance mo at napakaganda mo at ang ganda ng boses mo.
Thank you po. Thank you.